Welcome to SprintAP, intelligent, touchless, and agentic, AI-powered accounts payable solution from Mindsprint. Invoices from multiple sources are received via email or a receiving agent. Invoices with complete information proceed through extraction, validation, matching, coding, and are then posted, ensuring readiness for payment. Invoices with poor image quality or unstructured data are automatically routed for advanced data cleansing and agent-led training to accurately extract the required information. Once refined, these invoices re-enter the standard flow of validation, matching, coding, culminating with posting for payment readiness. When an invoice contains one or more issues such as purchase order problems, like funds not being available or incorrect PO details, or other discrepancies like tax mismatches, price or quantity differences, and banking details errors, the exception agent automatically routes the workflow to the relevant party. This could be the vendor, the buyer, or an internal department, depending on who is best suited to resolve the issue. Post-human in-loop resolving exception, agent can read the comment and take appropriate action, or human agent attends that resolution. Once the exception is cleared, invoice will be posted and good for payment. Beyond invoice management, SprintAP has capabilities to identify bottlenecks in the process and suggest recommendations to overcome those with the help of process mining agent. Every help desk queries are instantly understood, categorized, and prioritized, and craft tailored replies that resonate with the sender's tone and intent. A 24/7 support agent performs the same round the clock, and reporting and dashboards using reporting agents. All these agents work together seamlessly and bring various benefits like cost efficiency, more accuracy, reduced cycle time, increased visibility, and audit trail and user experience.